Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how to fix Moviebox download not playing problem. Yes, if your Moviebox downloads are not playing, then I'm going to show you what you have to do in order for it to start playing. Now, the first thing that you have to do first is to update your Moviebox to the latest version. Yes, update your Moviebox to the latest version because previous versions have been compromised. So make sure that you have the latest version. After that, you just head over to your settings. Now on the settings, search for app management. In there, you're going to see permission manager. Click on permission manager. Right there, just scroll down and then you're going to see photos and videos. Click on photos and videos. Then search for Moviebox. Click on it. Now normally it is going to be on don't allow or allow limited access. Just make sure that it is on always allow all. Put it on always allow on and then head back. Now you're going to do something else again. Do not skip this video, please. And head back again and then you click app list. In there, just search for Moviebox. When you find it, just click on it and then you click storage and caches. Now make sure that you clear the caches by clicking clear caches at the bottom of the platform there, at the bottom of the app. Now after clicking it, then you might as well clear the storage. After that, you just head back and then you can just switch off your phone. You can either switch it off or you restart it. After that, just make sure you on it back and then you can head back to the Moviebox. Then you're going to see that your videos will start playing. Yes, the videos that you downloaded will be playing. So that is how you can be able to fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.